All right, so this is just my family size Sara Lee pound cake. Go ahead and grab this and pull in my 13 by 9 dish, and we're gonna just put that whole thing right in there. Perfect. All right, and just make sure that bread is in a nice flat layer in your dish. If you wanna cut your pieces smaller, you totally can, but I just wanted this to be super quick, and this size just seems so great for this easy, no-bake dessert. Now I'm coming in with 2 cans of apple pie filling, and we're just gonna get that right out of the can. This to be a fall dessert, so I went with the apples. Oh, and this is gonna be so good. If you like caramel apple, then this is the dessert for you. Okay, get all that pie filling out. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, make sure this other one gets all out. Oh my, lots of apples on this one. And you could obviously make your own pound cake and your own apple pie filling, but you guys know I like quick and easy pre-made stuff. This is just inspiration for you guys to make your own delicious fall no-bake dessert. Almost done here. Beautiful. All right, and then just make sure those apples are spread out on top of your pound cake as best as it can be. Ooh, this is looking delicious. All right, once your pan looks like this, we're gonna move it to the side. And now we're gonna go ahead and grab a bowl and a whisk. And I have here some cheesecake instant pudding, and this is the 3-ounce box. And we're gonna use this whole box. Just pour it out in your bowl. I'm using a larger bowl so it's easier to whisk up. Then you're gonna wanna grab your milk of choice. I'm using whole milk, and you're gonna wanna add 2 cups right in there. I'm just gonna eyeball this. Okay, that looks beautiful. All right, give this a nice little whisk until it's well combined. Okay, once you have your milk and your pudding well combined, we are gonna add my favorite ingredient, Cool Whip. And I grabbed the extra creamy this time, but the regular will work for this just as well. And you can use the sugar-free if that's your style, but I love sugar, so I'm using the extra creamy. Get all of that Cool Whip out, and then we're gonna start whisking that into our pudding. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, that looks beautiful, you guys. Now we're gonna bring back our 13 by 9 pan, just like this. And then this is gonna go right on top. Just give it a nice shake. Oh yeah, this looks so good. Okay, we're gonna have to grab a spatula. All right, and spatula all of that goodness right on top of those apples. These flavors are gonna be incredible. Now you could make this in like a trifle dish or in like little individual servings, but I'm just going with the classic 13 by 9 because I know everyone has a 13 by 9 in their kitchen, and I want everyone to be able to recreate this dessert. Okay, just spread that right on top. Look how fluffy and incredible that looks. Oh my, I am way too excited to try this. And it's okay if your top layer isn't perfect, because we are gonna put something on this after to make it perfect. Okay, beautiful. Get some of that from the side. All right, now we do need that pudding to set, so we're gonna pop this in the fridge for just 30 minutes. Look at that. Looks so good, but of course, this is not done. I did say it was a caramel apple dessert, so we're gonna go ahead, get our Smucker's caramel and do a drizzle like this right on top. Obviously, if you don't want the extra sugar, you can skip this part. It's delicious even without it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a knife and just drag through that caramel to kind of just create a little design. This is obviously optional, but I just think it makes it so much prettier. And then we're gonna top it off with, of course, some fresh apples for some extra beauty. Ooh, yeah, that looks delicious. This to the side, grab my apple, cut it super quick. Woo! It's okay if they're not perfect slices. Ooh, just grab a few of these and we're just gonna place them right in the center, just like this. All right, just like that. Look how cute that is. Just a nice little spiral apples. Time to dig in our no-bake caramel apple dessert with cheesecake and all that goodness. Oh my, okay. Woo, this is gonna be a good bite. Make sure it comes up on all sides and then underneath for that perfect bite. Oh my, look how decadent that looks. Ooh, yeah, okay. I cannot wait any longer. I have to give this a try. Oh, there we go. A little apple, a little cheesecake topping, a little pound cake. That is incredible, you guys.